In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or remove your phone number on Binance. Whether you need to update your phone number due to a change, or you're simply seeking to reset your phone number used for SMS verification, I'll guide you through the process smoothly. Remember, Binance doesn't really allow you to completely remove a phone number without replacing it, as phone verification is a critical security feature. But you can either change it or disable SMS two-factor authentication. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's tackle the scenario where you still have access to your current phone number. In this case, updating your phone number is straightforward. Begin by logging into your Binance account, which you can access via their website or mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the security section. If you're using the app, you might need to go through your profile first and then head to security. Here, look for an option labeled Phone Number, or sometimes SMS Authentication. You will find a button that allows you to manage, change, or edit your phone number settings. Before you can make any changes, Binance requires you to pass through some security verifications. This could involve entering your password again, or using Google Authenticator and email verification. It's just one of their ways to ensure your account's safety. Once these steps are clear, you can enter your new phone number. Binance will send an SMS code to this new number. Input that code and submit it. Do keep in mind that once you've changed your phone number or disabled SMS authentication, certain functions like making withdrawals or engaging in peer-to-peer trading may be temporarily disabled, typically for about 24 hours, as a security precaution. But what if you no longer have access to the current phone number associated with your account? Perhaps you've lost your phone or changed your number without updating it first. Binance has you covered, albeit with a few additional steps. Start by entering your login credentials as usual, and when you reach the SMS verification part, look for an option that says Security Verification Not Available or something along those lines. Click on that, which will direct you to a Reset Security Verification workflow. You'll be given the choice to reset your phone number and sometimes your email too. Binance will then send you verification instructions via your registered email or through any other two-factor authentication methods you still have access to. Once you've completed your email verification, you'll be prompted to enter a new phone number. An SMS code will be sent to this new number, which you'll need to enter and submit. Again, be aware that following this reset, withdrawals and any other security-sensitive actions might be disabled temporarily, generally for about 24 hours as a safeguard. That wraps up our guide for today. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to update or change your phone number on Binance. Thanks for watching.